Good evening. I'm driving back from one of the event I played on piano, and here I want to show you one of the Seattle weather that we constantly get here, and that's the price for us to pay to have the green state, as it says, evergreen state. And the price is the rain. We pay with the rain often. Many times we have mists, cloudy days, or rain. So this is one of them, and I believe it's not that heavy rain, but I believe it creates more traffic because people are more cautious and more slowing down. So it creates a long traffic. Now it will take me an hour, about 10 minutes to go home, to get home. But while driving home, there's many sceneries to see, to watch. You see the downtown, you get to see the Puget Sound, you get to see far away Olympic Mountains, again if it's not rainy. But because it's rainy, the sceneries are very limited. So while driving home, I'll be showing some of the places where I pass by. I'll show you right now what's going on here. Rain, traffic. This area is the University of Washington. That's where I'm passing by. So as you see, lots of rain. Even the mood changes. It makes you more tiring. It makes you more sleepy. But the summers here are amazing. So here we got closer to Seattle, and that's what the Seattle is about. Rain and rain. Rain, rain, go away. Please come back another day. So as you see, it's a wet Seattle. There's a Space Needle not far from us, about 2,000 feet, 3,000 feet. And there we go. That's what makes me more sleepy. The rain, the sound of the rain and the wet roads. Again, it's 4 o'clock here and people are taking a lot of precaution, driving slower because of the rain. But so far, great city to live in.